Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change default browser on iPhone 15 Pro. First, open Settings on your iPhone and scroll down to the Apps menu at the bottom. Go to Default Apps and then select the browser app here. Then if you have other browsers other than Safari installed on your iPhone, you'll be able to select a different browser in here. And if it's checked, if the other browser is checked, that means that this browser is set as default on your iPhone. So that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.